Hello, law school community. This is SCU Law Technology Guides, tips, tricks, and tutorials. So let's get to it. In this segment, we're going to teach you how to install SmartPrint on Windows 10. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to go actually get the install file. In order to do that, go to the main SCU site, which is at scu.edu, and type in SmartPrint. And it should come up with the SmartPrint printer or print center page. And on the right side, there should be a SmartPrint link, Windows download site. And you want to download the latest exe file. Once you've done that, go out and search for it and then run it. You can either run it as is with your profile or run it as administrator. If it asks you make changes to your device, just select yes. And then you're going to click on install. And what's going to do is go out to the server and download a couple of things and start installing the Pharos client and also the print drivers for all the SmartPrint printers on campus, mainly HP and Dell's. It's going to install two printer definitions, one for black and white, which is the monochrome, and one for color. So there's about 3 or 4 color printers on campus, SmartPrint printers, and one of them is located on the first floor in Charney Hall. The other one is in the main library. I believe another one is in Benson. But you want to go out to SmartPrint site and just see where they're located. It's going to install a couple of files, so just be patient. Once it's finished installing, click on Finish. The next thing you want to do is go out to your settings, go to Devices, and then go to Printers and Scanners. Make sure you have 2 printer definitions, one for a SmartPrint BW printer, the other SmartPrint color printer, and check to make sure that each of them, go to the Manage, go to Printer Properties, has double-sided that says yes. We'll do it to the other one as well. Go to Manage, Printer Properties, and it should say yes. Now you're going to go to your application. It could be Word, it could be anything that is run on your desktop. Mine happens to be the browser. I'm going to do initial test print. And you'll see the 2 definitions that are assigned to your computer. So these can be released on any SmartPrint on campus. You just have to note that if you're doing color like I am, that it only can be released on the color printer. Black and white could also be released on a color printer. But if you are releasing a color document on a black and white printer, you're not going to be able to see it on the release station. Again, monochrome in color can be released on a color printer. Black and white only on a monochrome printer. So I have color in mine. I'm going to choose SmartPrint color printer. It's going to go out there and generate the document for me, and then it's going to ask for your username. So your username is your SCU email minus the @SCU. I'm going to put mine in there. And then select print. Once that it puts it into the queue, more information, go to our site, law.scu.edu/lawtech, our help desk site, lawhelpdesk.scu.edu, go to our YouTube channel, SCU Law Techs, follow us on Instagram at SCU Law Techs.